Hey everybody, confused with how to choose your first travel bag in 2024? Please check this video and get a one-step solution. Recently, I reviewed the Amazon reviews and draw my past experience to outline the following points. The first one is durability and the quality, and the second one is the additional pockets inside. The third one is suitable for the airline carry-on. It's so important. And the fourth one is the durability of the shoulder strap. Recently, I received the travel bag from the brand Bostanten. I'm so thrilled because it's perfect meet all my needs, and it's a great bag for my recently short business. Now let's unboxing Bostanten travel bag. The first point we really care about it is durability and quality. It's made of leather, which is really high quality and easy to clean. Now let's test it. I will pour a glass of water on it. Yeah, you see this water. Oh, and just wipe it. Totally clean. You no need to dry it. Care about the additional pockets. It equipped with one main compartment, one in a zipper pocket, two open inner pockets and two pen pockets, as well as one bag zipper pocket. And all the clothes I need for my short business trip can be nearly packed in this bag. Ooh! What a pleasant surprising is the inclusion of the shoe compartment. I could put my shoes into it. Oh my gosh! Regarding the third point, suitable for airline carry-on division, the bag measures 17.72 inches in length and 8.66 inches in width and 12.6 inches in height, making it full complete with airline carry-on size requirement. The company shoulder strap is also made of the same leather and has been designed with an additional width of leather at stretch points for convenient carrying. Wearing it on the shoulder effectively reduces stress. Care about user comfort. Hi everybody, this is the travel bag video. Hope you will like it. Please follow and like and comment this video. Bye!